Greetings, luxury aficionados. Today I'm thrilled to be taking you on an unforgettable journey through Tokyo's most upscale neighborhoods. If you're a fan of high-end shopping, exquisite dining, and luxurious accommodations, then you're in for a real treat. Tokyo is a city that truly knows how to indulge in the finer things in life, and we're about to discover all of its most lavish treasures. This is the place where you'll find the most prestigious designer brands in the world, each with their own beautifully appointed storefronts. Tokyo also boasts some of the most exquisite cuisine in the world, with a variety of Michelin-starred restaurants to choose from. Sit back, relax, and let's indulge in the finer things in life together. First off, we have Ginza, which is considered the crown jewel of Tokyo's luxury districts. This area has long been associated with high-end fashion and luxury goods, dating back to the early 20th century when the first Western-style department stores were established here. The storefronts here are often as impressive as the merchandise they display, with each brand vying for attention with its unique architectural style and exquisite interior design. The area is home to a variety of theaters, cinemas, art galleries, and museums, showcasing everything from traditional Japanese art to cutting-edge contemporary works. And when it comes to dining, Ginza is a food lover's paradise, with a diverse array of culinary options to suit every taste and budget. From high-end restaurants to cozy cafes and street food stalls, Ginza has it all. The streets here are wide and clean, lined with beautiful trees and dotted with public art installations. All in all, Ginza is a place that embodies the very essence of luxury and sophistication. It's a must-visit destination for anyone with an appreciation for the finer things in life, and a true testament to the unparalleled beauty and culture of Tokyo. Then we have Omotesando, a chic and stylish district located in central Tokyo, just a stone's throw away from Ginza. Many of the buildings here were designed by some of the world's most renowned architects, such as Tadao Ando and Herzog and de Meuron, creating a truly unique and eclectic atmosphere. For those interested in Japanese traditional culture, the nearby Meiji Jingu Shrine offers a peaceful oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. But perhaps what sets Omotesando apart is its vibrant and lively energy. The area is teeming with young people and creative types, who come to soak up the atmosphere and find inspiration in the diverse array of fashion and art on display. And when it comes to dining, Omotesando has some of the most exciting and innovative restaurants in the city, with a focus on fusion cuisine and creative cooking techniques. All in all, Omotesando is a district that exudes style and creativity, and offers a unique and exciting glimpse into the cultural and artistic heart of Tokyo. With its eclectic mix of fashion, art, and cuisine, there's truly something for everyone in this vibrant and dynamic neighborhood. When it comes to luxury hotels, both Ginza and Omotesando offer some of the finest accommodations in Tokyo. In Ginza, the most iconic luxury hotel is undoubtedly the Peninsula Tokyo, a sleek and stylish property that boasts breathtaking views of the city skyline and Tokyo Bay. With its elegant design, luxurious amenities, and impeccable service, the Peninsula Tokyo is a favorite among high-end travelers and celebrities alike. For those looking for something a bit more boutique, the Hoshinoya Tokyo is a stunning property located just a short walk from Ginza. This luxurious hotel is designed in the traditional Japanese ryokan style, with tatami mat flooring, sliding shoji screens, and a tranquil garden courtyard. With its focus on Japanese hospitality and attention to detail, the Hoshinoya Tokyo offers a truly authentic and unforgettable experience. In Omotesando, luxury hotels tend to be a bit more modern and avant-garde, in keeping with the area's fashion-forward vibe. The Andaz Tokyo Toranomon Hills is a sleek and stylish property that offers panoramic views of the city and some of the most spacious guest rooms in Tokyo. With its cutting-edge design, vibrant art collection, and personalized service, the Andaz Tokyo is a favorite among young and trendy travelers. Another standout luxury hotel in Omotesando is the Aman Tokyo, a serene and sophisticated property that blends traditional Japanese design with contemporary luxury. With its sweeping views of the city and emphasis on wellness and relaxation, the Aman Tokyo is a favorite among those seeking a peaceful and rejuvenating escape from the city's hustle and bustle. With their impeccable service, stunning design, and unparalleled amenities, these hotels offer a truly unforgettable experience for the most discerning of travelers. In Ginza, one of the most iconic restaurants is Sukiyabashi Jiro, a Michelin 3-star sushi restaurant that has been immortalized in the documentary film, Jiro Dreams of Sushi. Led by master sushi chef Jiro Ono, This intimate restaurant offers an unforgettable culinary experience that showcases the finest and freshest ingredients from Tokyo's Tsukiji fish market. In Omotesando, haute cuisine and experimental fusion take center stage, with a range of innovative restaurants that push the boundaries of traditional Japanese dining. One of the most popular restaurants is Floralage, a Michelin 3-star establishment that offers a unique and creative take on French cuisine, incorporating Japanese flavors and techniques. With its chic and stylish interior and impeccable service, Floralage is a must-visit for any foodie traveling to Tokyo. Another standout restaurant in Omotesando is the Kawaii Monster Cafe, a colorful and whimsical restaurant that offers a unique and playful take on traditional Japanese cuisine. With its eccentric decor and imaginative menu items, such as rainbow spaghetti and unicorn burgers, the Kawaii Monster Cafe is a favorite among young and trendy locals and visitors alike. Whether you're in the mood for traditional Japanese cuisine or innovative fusion dishes, Ginza and Omotesando offer some of the most exciting and innovative dining experiences in Tokyo. While Ginza and Omotesando are undoubtedly famous for their luxury shopping and dining options, there are also a wealth of other attractions in these districts that are well worth a visit for luxury travelers. One such attraction is the Ginza 6 shopping complex, which not only boasts a range of high-end stores but also features an impressive collection of contemporary art. Visitors can explore the complex's extensive art collection, which includes works by both Japanese and international artists, while enjoying the sleek and modern design of the building itself. Another must-visit attraction for art lovers is the Nezu Museum in Omotesando. This stunning museum boasts a collection of over 7,000 works of Japanese and East Asian art, including ceramics, calligraphy, and paintings. With its serene and tranquil garden courtyard and carefully curated exhibitions, the Nezu Museum offers a unique and immersive cultural experience that is sure to appeal to luxury travelers seeking to delve deeper into Tokyo's rich artistic heritage. For those interested in history and architecture, the Kabuki ZA Theatre in Ginza is an iconic landmark that is not to be missed. This traditional theatre has been a fixture of the Ginza district since 1889 and is known for its elaborate stage productions and ornate design. Finally, luxury travelers should not miss the chance to explore the Imperial Palace in central Tokyo, which is located just a short distance from both Ginza and Omotesando. The palace grounds are home to stunning gardens, historic buildings, and fascinating cultural artifacts, including the famous Nijubashi Bridge and the Imperial Palace East Gardens. With its grandeur and rich history, the Imperial Palace offers a glimpse into Japan's imperial past and is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a truly immersive and unforgettable luxury experience in Tokyo. In conclusion, Ginza and Omotesando are two of the most vibrant and exciting districts in Tokyo, offering a wealth of luxury shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. From high-end fashion boutiques to Michelin-starred restaurants and world-class art galleries, these districts have something to offer even the most discerning of travelers. But we want to hear from you, our audience. Have you visited Ginza or Omotesando before? What were your favorite luxury experiences in these districts? Let us know in the comments below and share your experiences with other luxury travelers who are planning their own trips to Tokyo. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on luxury travel in Japan and beyond. We're always on the lookout for new and exciting destinations to explore, and we can't wait to share our adventures with you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.